finding it tough to send money to Bangladesh quickly and safely. Let's discover how to send money from Worldremit directly to mobile money accounts in Bangladesh in just a few simple steps. Firstly, make sure you're located in a country where Worldremit offers its services. Worldremit facilitates money transfers to BD mobile accounts and other prominent platforms. Open the Worldremit app or visit the website and select Send Money. Choose Bangladesh as your destination and then choose Mobile Money as your receiving method. Next, select your recipient's BD mobile money provider from the list. Supported providers include Bcash, Nagad, and Rocket, among others. Input the recipient's exact mobile number associated with their BD mobile money account. Ensure this number is correct, as this is essential for a successful transfer. Then, input the amount of money you wish to send. Choose your payment method. Worldremit generally provides options such as bank transfers, debit cards, or credit cards. The app will display the fees and exchange rate beforehand, informing you as to how much is being transferred. Check all the details before confirming your transaction. Once confirmed, Worldremit will send the money directly into the recipient's mobile money account, and you will receive a confirmation including a transaction ID. Share this ID with the recipient so they can track the transaction. Once the transfer is complete, the recipient will be notified, and the money will be immediately available in their BD mobile money account. Sending money has never been so simple. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. #WorldRemitBD #mobile money.